ambassador. For you to be an ambassador of a particular project, this one is it's not difficult, but it's not something like others. It's a bit like or more on fire. For you to be ambassador of a particular project, you have to have a community, you have to have an audience, you have to have your audience, people that are listening to you. So for them, a project to be able to nominate as a ambassador, because nobody nominates somebody that doesn't have popularity. So you have to have a level of popularity for them to be able to nominate you as their ambassador. Okay. So for you to be an ambassador, if you have someone that is popular in any social media platform, it could be Twitter, it could be Telegram, Discord, WhatsApp, anywhere you're popular, people might want to ride on your popularity and they will give you a job to do for them. They pay you. They pay you massively. Some ambassador job pays very well, sure, but it doesn't have to be an ambassador for you to start making money. So an ambassador will pay up to $1,000, $2,000, $4,000. Some even pay up to 200, 200, 150, and thereabout. But if you're actually serious and you're doing all these particular ones that you can start from scratch, man, you make money as an ambassador. I'm telling you the right, you make money as an ambassador. So, but all you just have to do is just be able to start from the scratch and start from the scratch, start from the scratch. Just start from the scratch and you make it. That's something I can promise you. Okay.